my caterpillars, how are you today? All right, let's get started on our calendar. Today is a Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, clap and sway, because we're at school our third day. It's the one in the middle. Play the fiddle, because this is the day in the middle. So Wednesday is in the middle of our week. There is, let's count from 7 to figure out this number right here. 7, 8, 9, 10. It is the 10th. Good. Let's do our pattern. We are starting with butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird, butterfly, and another butterfly today. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. All right, let's get started. On this beautiful Wednesday, we've been talking about some farm animals, so I want you to listen carefully, and I want you to listen a bit. We are going to use characteristics of animals to decide what animal I am looking for. Okay, here it goes. I have a tail. I live on a farm. I give milk to the farmers. What am I? Am I a cow, a chicken, or a bunny? Good, I am a cow. All right, this one says, I have feathers. I have 2 feet. I am a baby. So this one has feathers. Does a dog have feathers? Does a chick have feathers? Okay. It says I have 2 feet. This one has 2 feet, 4 and 2. So it could be one of these two, right? And it says I am a baby. This is a rooster. A rooster is not a baby. This is a chick. Good. I have 2 feet. I live on a farm. Ooh, does this one have 2 feet? No. This one does. And this one does. This one lives on a farm. This one lives on a farm. I take care of the animals. So who takes care of the animals? The farmer. Okay, I have listened to the whole thing. I have a long tail. Which one has a long tail? I have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And people can ride on me. Would it be a cat, a chicken, or a horse? A horse, people can ride on. I have whiskers. Whiskers go out like this. So look for the animal with whiskers. It says, I am gray. Ooh, they're both gray. They have whiskers. They both have whiskers. Look. And I like to hop. Which one likes to hop? The mouse or the rabbit? The rabbit. This one says, I am white. I have 4 feet and I am fluffy. I am white. These are both white. I have 4 feet. Ooh, this one has 4 feet and this one has 4 feet. I am fluffy. Which one is fluffy? The sheep is fluffy. Good, we'll do 2 more. This one says, I have whiskers. I have a long tail. I have fur. Which one has whiskers, a long tail, and fur? It is a cat. Last one I'll do. I have 4 legs. Ooh, they all have 4 legs, don't they? I have a short tail. This one has a short tail, and this one has a short tail. I have horns. Which one has horns? The pig or the goat? The goat has horns. Good job. We are going to play a game. It's called Do These Words Rhyme? Now it's time for rhyming. So give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Do these words rhyme? Rat, cat. Good. Rat and cat are rhyming words. I'm going to put a thumbs up there. Barn, horse. Do they rhyme? Show me with your thumbs. Good. Barn and horse are not rhyming words. Listen to these. No, nose, rose. Do they rhyme? Nose, rose. What do you think? Okay. Good job. Nose and rose are rhyming words. Chair, bear. Do they rhyme? Chair, bear. Good job. Chair and bear are rhyming words. Jar, duck. Jar, duck. Do they rhyme? Good job. They do not rhyme. Thanks for using your hands. Good job. Ant, leg. Ant, leg. Do they rhyme? No. Good job. Star, car. Star, car. Are these rhyming words? Good job. Those are rhyming words. Star and car are rhyming words. We have fish, cart. Fish, cart. Do they rhyme? No. Sock, sun. Sock, sun. Do they rhyme? No. And fan, pan. Fan, pan. Do they rhyme? Good job. Way to go finding those rhymings. The last activity is to finish the pattern today. So remember, a pattern is something that repeats itself over and over again. The pattern might change, so it's very important that you're paying attention on what is repeating. It could be A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. And then the next time it could be A, A, B, A, A, B. So pay attention to the animal that is repeating. When something repeats, this is the unit of measure. It keeps repeating, so you hear it again, again, and again. Cow, mouse, cow, mouse, cow. Good job. Listen to this one. Rooster, horse, rooster, horse, rooster. Good job. Listen to this one. Chicken, rabbit, chick, rabbit, chick. What comes next? Dog, hen, dog, hen, dog. Good job. Listen to this one. Turkey, goat, turkey, goat, turkey, goat. It would keep repeating itself. Ooh, and the new one. Cow, cow, pig, cow, cow, pig. Pig, pig, sheep, pig, pig, sheep. Chick, chick, duck, chick, chick. What's next? Duck. Heard you. Nice work, guys. Turkey, turkey, mouse, turkey, turkey, mouse. Okay, this time I'm going to say it. You tell me what comes next. What is it? Is it a hen, a duck, a chick, a rooster, or a cat? It is a rooster. Good job. All right, what comes next? This time it's an A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. This is our unit. We are going to keep repeating right here. Hen, rooster, rooster. Hen, rooster. Good job. Last one. Pig, sheep, sheep. Pig, sheep. Awesome job with those patterns. Now it's time for you to make a pattern. You can go and create 2 different colors, or you can go and get objects. All right, I'm gonna go get something and I'm gonna make a pattern and then I want you to make your own pattern. My objects to make my pattern, I'm gonna do an AAB pattern. So I found a rectangle, block, rectangle, rectangle, triangle. That's what I'm going to measure. So I have my 3 rectangle, rectangle, triangle. Here is my pattern. Rectangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, triangle. I want to see your pattern, guys. Okay, you can do any kind of pattern. You could do rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. That is an AB pattern. What kind of pattern can you do? I'll see y'all later.